this is Elaine Shauger. Come to sga.gov and get ready to learn how to do the down, under, and up. Memorial Day, we are open. It says closed, but we are open that day. We want to work with our students on Memorial Day. So if you want to purchase something, we will be here. Everybody have a wonderful Memorial Day. Come to sga.gov and get 20% off on Monday. Dan Shauger has over 300 online academy school. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA pros order our books and DVDs because they do not know what down, under, and up means. Let's tell the world what it means. We do not do the roller with the arms and hands. We hit the golf off the right side of the hip and left knee bent, right leg